wallpaper.
Hey guys, welcome back to another rental friendly upgrade. My name is Lo. If you are new here, welcome. I post vlogs about my daily life, weekly life, whatever you want to call it. But on this series we are turning this basic apartment into my dream home. We are making it a dream home. Just because it's an apartment does not mean you cannot take your home and do the things that make you feel good, because I live here 24/7. And when I say that, I really mean it, because I do not leave my home. So I'm sorry, but I will live in a home that makes me feel good to be home. I have been on a mission lately to turn this basic apartment into apartment of my dreams that makes me so proud and so happy to be here. So I am going to be wrapping my fridge. Exhibit A. I just got off of work, which is why I look like this. And no, it's not typically whimsy or listen. This is, there's no in between. This is me. You're either gonna get dressed up me or you're gonna get this. There's no in between. I want to go ahead and wrap her. And I found this peel and stick at Target. Because I didn't want to wait for shipping. I did not want to wait for shipping, and I just wanted it. I like instant gratification for the most part. If I can have it, I will go grab it. So I found this peel and stick wallpaper. I was thinking about getting a very vibrant wallpaper for the fridge to make it a focal point, because it's so big. But I also do not want it to take away from pieces that I want to incorporate. So I was let me keep my fridge pretty neutral, and this was a really good match for the actual color of it. So I am kind of really impressed that I made this decision, and I can be kind of indecisive for a little bit, but I'm really excited to do it this color do this print, because it's just not gonna be super out there, but out there. And then also I can decorate the fridge with frames and stuff like that, which is what I wanted it to do. So I wouldn't have been able to do that with a more fun print, and I really wanted to decorate this side with pictures and fun stuff. So, all right, let's get started. welcome back. I know this is like super abrupt, super just like, you know, anyways, real quick, because I am on a mission. Last week, I went into Ross and I saw 2 rugs that I wanted, and I was like, let me come back for them. I hid them in Ross. And I was like, I'm gonna come back for them because I wanted to really think about it, because I've just been buying rugs and I'm just like, I can't keep buying these rugs and then return them. So I was like, let me think about it. If I'm still thinking about it, by Friday, we're gonna get the rugs. We are headed to Ross to see if they're still there and if I hid them good enough and if anybody found them. So let's go to Ross and see if they're still there. I'm not trying to see if it's still here. Oh my god, it looks like they kind of... Oh, it looks like they stopped that. Okay. It's still here. It's still here. Oh my gosh. And then the other one is still here too. The one that I wanted. So there's 2 that I wanted. So there's this one. I'll show you guys in a minute. Hold on. And then there's this one. Oh my gosh. Okay, hold on. Okay, we got both of the rugs. One of them was not the one. One of the rugs was not the rug that I wanted or initially was like going for, but it's okay. I still like this other rug, and it was $40. That's a steal for a 5x7, okay? And it's a thin rug. It's not like super heavy. It doesn't have like a lot of weight to it, but that's okay. I have dogs. I need something that is not super crazy expensive, and I can put a carpet cleaner too, and I just need it to do its job and look pretty, okay? So let's go home, let's put this together, and that way I can open it and see what I'm working with. All right, let's go. Okay, perfect. Now I have you back on my regular camera, so hopefully... Am I blurred? Oh, there it goes. Okay, so hopefully it looks better. The lighting's not the greatest, but I really don't like to use the big lights in my apartment. I like ambiance. I like good vibes. I like we're not using the big lights. Okay, obviously I showed you we got this rug and we got this rug. This is a Jessica Simpson rug. I didn't know she made rugs. But this is like totally up my alley. This is like perfect for spring, and I absolutely love it. I got how pretty. It's a planter, and I bought a plant yesterday when I went to Walmart. It was like for $5. I want to, oh, that's not right. I want to put her in here. I want to repot her in this pretty girl, and yeah, let her grow a little bit and then repot her into something bigger. But I thought this was so cute. Love, absolutely love. That's the stuff that I got. So let's go ahead and start working on seeing which rug is gonna work in this space. And I actually think I'm gonna get rid of, or not get rid, but just move this ottoman that I was using as like a quote-unquote coffee table. I think I'm gonna put it in my room for the time being. So yeah, either that or I might move it over here. I don't know. We're gonna just move her around because she's just not working out there. She's taking up too much room. I don't really use her, and she's just clunky. So I think I have enough big furniture in this area, and I think she's she's gotta go. She's just not welcome there no more, unfortunately. Like, if I didn't have a chair there, then I probably would put her maybe in front of the window with, like, I don't know, a tray or something. That would actually be really cute. But for the time being, I have 2 chairs because I have, you know, I have the podcast, which it's gonna come back. It's coming back, don't you worry. But yeah, okay, let me stop yapping. Let's put this shit together. This whole time? Oh, damn. Sorry, guys. You see how it's so bright in here? It's hella bright. Oh my god. Okay. Super bright. Maybe I just need to change out the bulbs. I mean, you want a bright light, but it's a little too much for me. This is more like, I don't know, putting on my makeup or something. This is so cute. How cute. How cute is that? Oh my gosh. It was only $30. This is a 4x6. Don't underestimate Ross. They be having some cute shit. Okay, so my only thing with this is that it's a little small for this area, but that's okay because I think I might have another spot for it. I just really wanted this one. So I think I'm gonna put this one maybe in the dining room, like underneath the dining room table. I think that would be a really cute spot to tie in the wallpaper and everything because it has hints of green. And it'll also go with my green chairs. So let's probably put that one over there, but hold on, I want to take a picture of it because, you know, your girl's gotta take a pic. Your girl's gotta take a pic. So let's go ahead and move this one and put the other one in. Oh my god. There is some more. Now I really want to turn this fan on. Okay, I think we got it. This is a 5x7. Obviously, a lot bigger. Oh, she's cute. We like her. We like her a lot. Yeah. We like her. Couch is so freaking heavy. I love it. And it's machine washable for $40. You cannot beat that. Like, ruggable, you gotta run for your money, okay? Because I'll tell you what, Ross done took mine. But I think I'm going to push my couch a little bit further in because I do like my couch just a little bit closer. So that gives me more room over here. Well, actually, it's not bad. I have enough room. But I do like it just a smidge to where when the door opens, it's not directly like on the, like this area. I like it to feel like super intimate. Yes, 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 1000% yes. And then get a coffee table. Yes, love it.
you. What are we thinking? I think I like it here. I think I might pull it a little bit more that way. Yeah, I think it just needs to be pulled up just a little bit more that way, but I'm liking her. This is super cute. Fit the space perfectly. Yes, period. We love you. I'm so glad I hid her because she was meant to be in this home with me forever. She's gonna be with me for a really long time. I think I just stumbled upon like where the dog's food's gonna go. I don't like that there's an outlet right there, and I also have a DIY that I'm gonna do where I can close up that outlet, but I do think this is a good spot for their food versus over there, because then they're gonna just be getting water all on the rug. So I think I just might move it down a little bit for now, so that way it's not next to the rug. But I do like this spot. I do like this spot. Okay, yeah. Let's go ahead and put the table and everything back together so we can, why am I so dark? So we can see how it looks. So let's do that. Let me put you over here so you can see. And yeah, it was $29.99. I don't know if you can see that. And it's stain resistant, machine washable, and great for pets and kids. It's called Ruggies, the incredible washable rug. Let's see how good it holds up, because I do have pets. So, but for the most part, my girls are pretty clean. If I keep up with them, so let's put baby girl back. Good morning. It's Saturday. I wanted to show you guys what the apartment looks like with like some light. So yeah, this is obviously, oh, I wanted to show you oh, let me close this, girl. We the dryer's going. I don't know why I decided to do this while the dryer's going, but look at the fridge. It came out so good. I was really frustrated. I will say that I did get frustrated, and it's some of it's not lined up correctly. And tip for, you know, this type of print gingham, this side lined up really well, but when you go across, you're gonna have a hard time lining up. So there is some lineup issues, but not like really hard. If you stare at it, if you stare at it too long and you're looking for imperfections, you're gonna find it. But it's really good. I took it all the way on the inside and I left the top clear, and it matches really perfectly with the color of the fridge already. And I just like how it just is a statement piece in the fridge, but it's not the loudest piece, if that makes sense. So I really like her. We love her. And yeah, don't mind this mess, okay? She's getting done today. My next project is going to be the backsplash, which I think I have decided on a color. I've been between 3 colors: a wine, a pink, and a green. And I think I already have enough green that I want to have something else pop. So I'm between the pink and the wine. So I'm just trying to decide which option I'm gonna go with, because I mean, obviously if I don't like one, I can always change it, but I really don't want to I really don't want to do that. So, and then let me show you over here. The carpet's looking really pretty. And then I did move the plant over here so that she can get some sun during the day. And I moved my table runner over here on my TV stand. I think it just like incorporates it a lot better with my baked little flowers, and yeah, I really like it. We're gonna get her together. I'm also painting this green, remember? I'm painting it that dark green, so I think I need to calm down on the green. I think that's enough green, and now it's just like accents of green. Like this is gonna be a very big statement piece. You love it, Looney? Looney, do you love it? She loves sunbathing right here. This is her spot right here, just to sunbathe. All right, guys. Well, thank you for joining me on this crazy, anxious, exciting adventure of hiding rugs and then displaying them in your home. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. Apologies for the washer going, but that is life, it never stops. So I will see you guys in my next video. Until next time, bye. Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, because the rental upgrade diaries and vlog diaries are not gonna end here. We have a long way to go. Bye.